Hello students, how are you? Today we will going to learn the part 3, that is the last part of the food and nutrition chapter. And today we are going to know everything about our teeth, and we are going to cover these 2 pages today. Okay students, so let's start our class. Teeth. Our teeth help us to bite, cut, chew and grind the food we eat. An adult has 32 permanent teeth and 16 teeth on the upper jaw and 16 on the lower jaw. How many kinds of teeth do we have? We have basically 4 types of permanent teeth. They are incisors. These are the cutting teeth and biting teeth. Suppose you are eating any kind of food like potato or a fruit, what you will do? You will cut it first, right? You will cut it with the help of the incisor teeth. Now next, canine teeth. It is tearing teeth. When you are eating any flesh or meat or chicken, you will tear that part of flesh with the help of your canine teeth. Next is premolar. It is mainly used for chewing and grinding the food you have already taken in your mouth. And last one is the molar. It has also the same kind of function like the premolars. So we have 4 kinds of teeth. They are incisor for cutting and biting, canine for tearing, premolar for chewing and grinding, and lastly molar, also chewing and grinding. Now some fun facts are here. The first teeth we have when we are about 6 to 7 months old. Yes, we all had our first teeth in the age of 6 to 7 months. Let us know the structure of a single teeth. First, let's see how a teeth looks. Here it is. A single teeth look like this. Teeth are firmly held in gums with the help of root. You have heard about root when we have studied about plant. What the root do? The root helps the plant firmly in the ground. Again, the root of our teeth also do the same work. Root portion we cannot see because in case of plant it is situated under the ground, and here in case of our teeth it is also inside of gums. You cannot see the root of your teeth. Portion we can see of our teeth is the crown portion, means the white portion, and this crown has a outer coating. This is the hard part of your teeth. It is called the enamel. Next, the soft portion inside the tooth is called the pulp. Yes, our teeth also has some soft portion inside it. And this pulp contains nerve and blood vessels. If we get any infection, the nerves inform the brain about it and we feel pain. Have you feel any pain in your teeth? Probably yes. Let's talk about how should we take care of our teeth. Taking care of our teeth is very important because it is the important part of hygiene. Sometimes small food particles get stuck within the gaps of the teeth after we eat. Germs present inside our mouth eat these food particles and they make hole inside the teeth, and it can cause pain and make our breath smell bad. So if we want to get rid of this, we should take care of our teeth. Now these are the points which we must follow to maintain the healthy and strong teeth. We must brush our teeth twice a day. We must always rinse our mouth after eating, especially after eating sweet chocolate and ice cream. Do you do that? If not, then start doing it. Next, we should eat calcium-rich food as it makes our teeth strong. For example, we should drink a lot of milk as it contains calcium. We already know that milk is a complete food. Here again, milk is taking a part to take care of your teeth. And lastly, we should visit a dentist for a regular checkup of our teeth. Now, let's know some interesting facts. Germs. They are small living things. Yes, they are very small living things that can cause diseases. Dentist. Dentist is a person who looks after people's teeth. Yes, they are also a kind of doctor. And plaque. The germs present in our food forms a sticky coating on our teeth. This is called plaque. We should wash our teeth twice a day to get rid of this plaque. Okay, students? So, we have already completed our chapter today. I hope you have all understood what I am teaching. Okay, students? Bye bye.